welcome to day 3 of the GS Transylvania tour. Today we're starting very close to the Ukrainian border and we've got about 340 kilometers to do. But compared to yesterday, it's much easier. We're all gonna try and regroup about 100 kilometers away from the start to take a nice group photo. I woke up late this morning because I wanted to get my full 8 hours of sleep. So I was one of the last ones to leave and I hope the guys will wait for me. But damn, does 8 hours of sleep feel good. Day 3 started with a 50-kilometer ride on Romania's highly evolved main road system. After an hour of butt-clenching motorcycling, the track took us off the main roads and onto secondary roads that went through the middle of small villages. Now, before I show you what happens next, I need to explain some things about my friend, Stelica. This is my friend, Stelica. Stelica loves adventure motorcycling, even though he's not very good at it. This is Stelica dropping his bike because he forgot to put on his side stand. This is Stelica falling over because the scenery was too pretty. This is him falling over just because he hadn't fallen over in a while. Stelica also doesn't know how to take videos on iPhones. Moving on. Dreapta pe jos. Stai. Dai. With a newly shortened clutch lever, Stelica got on his bike and left as if nothing had happened. I wanted to make a small stop in this village to see if the old lady that I scared with the drone last year was still around. Uite-o! Uite și pisicuța! Să rămână, doamnă! Nu v-am mai văzut de exact un an. Și eram foarte curios să trec din nou. În fiecare an trecem pe aici.
Cu celălalt cu avionul, nu?
Exact! Așa, țineți minte! Cu drona! Așa este!
M-am dus la popa, că eu am diploma, mi-a dat popa. Diploma, că eu sunt mai în sat văzută. Cum să zic, să știe tineretul, cam nu știu numai.
Da.
Da cu curul, certați. Să vă arăt Chiara, războiul. Când mă chem, uitați-vă ce aici. Nici n-am curățit, m-am dus în sus. Îmi fac apă cu mere și cu acne. Mama a trăit 100 de ani și nu l-a bun, eu iar n-am luat niciun bun, deci mama s-a măritat, eu murit bărbatul. Tata s-a însurat, eu murit femeia. Și-a rămas la tata 7, la mama a rămas iar 6 și m-a mai făcut iar 4.
Și soțul?
Doi muri de 10 ani, soțul.
10 ani?
E mort.
Și de 10 ani sta singură?
De 10 ani, cu Dumnezeu Sfântul. Că eu numai găini am. Eu nu stăpân, o babă de 85 de ani. Nu-mi trebuie vacă, că nu stăpână. Când o muri, Ori ce mi-a dat de lucru? Că eu nu pot să nu lucru. Să-mi pui o sac de lână.
Un sac de lână lângă, da?
În copârșiu, să am ce torce, să am ce lucra.
Leaving the old lady's house, we got a present from the trek. High speed and lots of turns. While waiting for everybody to arrive at the meeting place, we enjoyed some nice lunch and got in touch with nature. Shortly after leaving, bad luck caught up with me. Okay, the most important thing when you have an adventure puncture is to remain calm. Always stay calm. If you're not calm, you're gonna make more mistakes, and then your adventure's over. Step number 2, did you bring the right gear to fix your puncture? Now if you didn't, then you have permission to freak out because there's nothing you can do anyway. Take the squeaky bit and make the hole rough. Then take the rubbery bits and thread them through the other pointy thing. Slowly but firmly insert it into the tire and then with one sharp move, pull it out. Connect your compressor, turn on your bike, turn on the compressor, and pray to any god that you pray to. The final step is to take the sharp thingy and cut the rubbery thingy off the tire. Tire all pumped up, we continued our journey. We were thirsty, so we stopped at the local watering hole where we met the world's thirstiest man. Make sure you subscribe to catch our next episode, hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, you know what to do if you didn't, and let us know in the comments if you would like to join us next year.